she came from? What country?
Jamaica.
And I came from Philippines. I'm working at the United States of America as a teacher, and we collide. Perfect match.
So, another day. What is this, day 5 or day 4? And we're in another country, and each one is more beautiful than the last. Oh my God. Look at that. That is beautiful. So we're going on a river cruise to the Rhine Valley, and we're gonna check out castles.
So you will see all the boxes. I can't find my own box. Beer drinkers are also over there. Every half an hour they have a beer. Songs, Edelweiss and Happy Wanderer.
That may be us right there. We are boarding the Lorelei Star. Lorelei Star? Hope I got that right. And we are aboard. Of course, I'm going for the window, especially since I'm by myself. Sunshine. A ship is passing though. And then back to my views. I'm in the Rhine Valley. I thought the views were over. They get even more amazing. Look at this. Look at this here. A chapel, a cathedral. Wow, it gets better.
She came from what country?
Jamaica.
And I came from Philippines. I'm working at the United States of America as a teacher, and we collide. Perfect match. Thank you.
Thank you. I need to get a Germany t-shirt. So today we are in Germany and we're at the Rhine Valley. We just took a Rhine Valley River tour and now, or the Rhine River tour, and now we're just walking in the town. Actually, we're supposed to be having a wine tasting now, but the views are too splendid for me to go taste wine when I don't even drink. Look down this street. Okay, let's go. Excellent. So a few phrases that I should know if I'm coming to Germany, at least 5.
Yes, you want to tell me the
No,
phrases
you
or I
tell.
can
No,
tell
you tell me what I should know if I'm coming here. Like as a tourist, what are the common phrases that people need to know how to say?
It's like Hallo, wie geht's?
Wie geht's? I know wie geht's. Wie geht's is Ihnen. What does that mean?
Wie geht es Ihnen? Genau, it's like how are you?
I know that one. Yes.
What do you like to eat? Ist was möchten Sie essen? Yes. Oder have a nice day. Hab einen schönen Tag. Oder hat es Ihnen geschmeckt? Did you enjoy it? And
What does it cost? What's the
wie
cost?
viel kostet es?
Say it again.
Or, wie viel kostet es? Or the short one is wie viel? How much?
Wie viel?
Wie
How
viel?
much?
Yes.
I appreciate you so much. Thank
you.
you.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Thanks. Guten Abend.
Schönen Abend, genau.
So I got a German lesson and I got ice cream. This is so good. I kid you not, it's so good. The top has coffee. Let me catch some views while I'm saying this because the view is to die for. Coffee's at the top and oh no, I forgot what's at the bottom. Oh, look at this. This building is twinning with me. We're twinning. I forgot what flavors I'm having, but they're really, really good. And I got some free German lessons. Yay me. On this trip, I was traveling with a group. However, I was traveling as an individual or solo in the group. Everybody else was booed up. I did not have a boo with me, so it was very easy for me to wander off and just sit leisurely and have my ice cream. This is one of the beautiful things about traveling solo is that you get to do whatever you want. You never have to negotiate. If it's one thing I hate is negotiating on what I want to do. Freedom is the most amazing feeling. Anyway, I sat here, enjoyed my ice cream, and I got up and left in time for meeting up with the rest of the group because we had some more amazing sights and attractions to catch today. Of course, I did a little shopping in Germany. I always like to buy something when I visit a country, so if someone asks me where you got that lovely item, I can say I bought it in Germany. On this trip I bought the bag, and in Switzerland I bought the crossbody bag that I'm wearing. And of course I had to buy my little shopping bag tote. Oh, that's amazing. This is really cute. I would say stay here if you're ever on this tour. Well, no, not if you're on this tour. If you're on this tour, you'll be staying here. If you come here by yourself, you can choose the Wyndham Garden Hotel. It is a little off the beaten path, it seems, but this is all like a forested area. But how beautiful is this? The art is beautiful. Look at her. Beautiful, beautiful, and more beautiful. Okay, so I haven't taken any pictures of the hotel rooms because mostly we're just going in, falling asleep, and then checking out again the next morning. But this room is beautiful. Girl, you're gonna be in my video. Too late. But this is very nice. They've actually put effort into it. Books, a whole desk, wine glasses, fancy water. This is very nice. Now, the hotel in Germany was the most beautiful hotel that we stayed on the entire trip. But this room is indicative of all the rooms we stayed in because they are all very tiny. This room was very beautifully done. The colors were lovely, but as you can tell from the previous videos, my phone is just not picking up what the room is putting down. But it was gorgeous. I could not resist. And of course, orange is my favorite color. One of those quaint houses. Okay. And we're back in. This is so pretty. Okay, so it's day 6, I think, and we are at the hotel. We are getting ready for a bus. This is by far the most beautiful hotel we have been in. I especially love these yellow seats over here. Very pretty. But this one is very nice. Where is it? It is so pretty. And that's the buzz of everybody waiting on the bus to come for us. But how gorgeous. Mirror selfie. I'm terrible at mirror selfies. It's like a gallery. Okay, so this morning we are waking up in Germany at the Wyndham Garden Hotel. I don't know what town this is. And as always, our chariot is here to pick us up. Expat Explorer. Check them out. This is so gorgeous. I did not see this backyard. You know, if there's nature, this is going to be my favorite hotel in Germany. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my God. But we're dining right now, so I'm not going outside. But how adorable would this be? So we're having breakfast. It's a big dining room. Oh, wow. And there's another section. This dining hall is huge. And the breakfast buffet is really big. There's something for every palate. Gorgeous. It's a really big breakfast buffet with a lot of fruits and croissants and everything. But I went with something warm. Hello, this is Miss Green coming to you from Germany. So here's a phrase that you might need when you're here. It is, where is the toilet? Wo ist die Toilette? Wo ist die Toilette? Where is the toilet? That's where I am right now. It is so green I had to record here. I'm Gail, Miss Green to my students. I thank you for watching.
Such a craze in the 17th century that they were really selling for the price of an entire wave tulip bulb. And that was the first market crash, my friends, because it was impossible to have it all the way till then. It was a speculation, not a real estate speculation, but a tulip bulb speculation. So we've got the tulips as being the symbol of the Netherlands, even
Guten Morgen from Germany. Wie geht's? It's Ihnen. That means, how are you doing in German? Ich bin in einen Autobus. I am on a bus tour of Europe, and I have been MIA a little bit because I was getting ready for the tour and then being on the tour, and so I haven't posted recently. However, I have a lot of content related to my travel, so I'll be teaching you some German phrases. I'll be teaching you the base word for the name of the country, the Netherlands, and we'll be learning some French. So stay tuned, as this is Miss Green in Europe. Today, coming to you from Germany. As usual, I am Gail, Miss Green to my students, and thank you for watching. Guten Morgen, this is Gail coming to you live from Germany. Wie geht's? It's Ihnen. That is, how are you? Ich nein in Autobus. That is, I am on a bus and we're on our way to. There are several things I'm going to be talking about. One, I'll be talking about the base word of the Netherlands and what that means. We're going to be learning some German phrases that you will need if you are a tourist in Germany. And we're also going to learn some French words. I know I've been a little MIA, but please stay tuned. I have been on this 1 week long tour of Europe, and before that I was getting ready for my 1 week long tour of Europe and trying to get some work done as well. So I am still here, and I hope I haven't lost you. This is Gail, Miss Green to my students, and I thank you for watching.
extremely low, not low, but extremely low, not low, but the low country, but because of this low country, they're gift for bicycles. I cannot stress you enough, in the Netherlands, this is the priority. Bikes, cute little ducklings, pedestrians.
Now, I can't record every moment of my trip because I have to enjoy the trip. However, I have captured some of the highlights, and the river cruise was the highlight of my trip to Germany. So as we wrap this video up, please go ahead and enjoy this ride down the Rhine River, or rather this cruise down the Rhine River. If there's anything you want to see in my upcoming videos, please let me know. I am new at travel blogging, and so I don't know what everyone wants to see. I am doing it from the perspective of what I enjoy. All right, I look forward to your suggestions in the comment. As usual, please be kind, and remember, fear does not stop death, it stops life. I am Gail, Miss Green to my students. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you.